Our regular subscriber know that we have started a playlist regarding the interview preparation. If you are new on this channel, must watch the complete playlist named as interview preparations. So today we are going to discuss interview questions related to compression machine. In this video we will discuss about 30 questions which are most commonly asked regarding the compression machine. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscription button and bell icon button. So let's start our video. The first question which may be asked related to the compression machine is, what is compression? The compression is process in which we apply a pressure or force over powders or granules to form a tablet. This process is known as compression. The next question is, what is compression machine? The machine which is used for the process of compression is known as compression machine. The third question is, what is the working principle of compression machine? Tablet compression machine works on the principle of compaction or compression, in which a pressure is applied over powders and granules by using a tooling system which is known as punches and dies. In simple words, compression works on the principle of compaction, where we apply a pressure which is transmitted to powders or granules with the help of punches. The next question is, what are the types of compression machine? There are basically two types of compression machine. One is single punch compression machine and second one is multi-station compression machine. The next question may be asked, what is rotary compression machine? Multi-station compression machine is also known as rotary compression machine. Why it is known as rotary? Because it is in rotation. So types of compression machines are two. Single punch compression machine, these are basically available nowadays in only labs for practical or for demonstration purposes. In pharmaceutical industries, high speed multi-station rotary compression machines are used. The next question may be asked regarding the types of compression machine on the basis of its feeding system. There are two types of compression machine on the basis of feeding system. One is single feed compression machine and second one is double feed compression machine. So what is difference between single feed and double feed? Single feed compression machine have one feeding system in which each punch compress one tablet during its one revolution or 1 RPM. And in double feed compression machines, the compression machines have two feeding systems or two hoppers in which each punch compress two tablets during its 1 RPM. So how to calculate capacity of compression machine? It is very important question. A complete video is also recorded, link is given in description. You can watch in detail, but here I will discuss the formula to discuss the capacity of compression machine. Capacity of compression machine is calculated by using number of stations of compression machine, its RPM and its feeding system. Suppose we have a compression machine having 30 number of punches and it is running on RPM of 25. So simply multiply 30 into 25. So 30 into 25, answer is 750. Then we multiply it with the feeding system or number of feeding system. Mean if we have single feed compression machine, then the answer will be 750, and if we have double feed compression machine, we will multiply it by 2, so answer will be 1500. Mean in 1 minute the compression machine with two feeding systems at 25 RPM having 30 punches will compress 1500 tablets in 1 minute, and if we multiply it by 60, it will give number of tablet 90,000 per hour. So this is the formula to calculate the capacity of a compression machine. So suppose if we have a batch size of 5 lakh tablets So divide 5 lakh to the 90,000. Answer will be the about 5.5 hours, mean the batch will be compressed in 5.5 hours. The next question is what are the stages of compression machine? Basically there are 4 stages of compression machine. One is the filling, second one is the weight adjustment, third one is compression, and fourth one is the ejection. Detailed video is also recorded, link is given in description. Types of rollers of compression machine. What are the types of rollers which are installed in compression machine? Basically there are 2 types of rollers installed in compression machine. One are main rollers and other are pre-compression rollers. We have skipped one question which is very important regarding the components of compression machine or parts of compression machine. So important components of compression machine are hopper, feeding system, dies, punches, upper punches, lower punches, compression rollers, main compression rollers, pre-compression rollers, turrets, die table contain dies. We have cams, weight adjustment cams, mean filling cams, ejection cam. These are the types of cams. We will record a discuss separate video to discuss it in detail. The next one is take off blade. Next other one is discharging chute, HMI, lubrication system, mechanical chamber. These are all basically components of a compression machine. The next question is asked. We have discussed types of rollers and what are the functions of these rollers. Main rollers are used to apply main compression force, but pre-compression rollers are used to apply a little pressure before main compression to remove the entrapped air, and these are helpful to prevent the problem of capping. Next one is regarding the roller fixation, mean what is the status of rollers in term of its movements. These are fixed or free to rotate. Basically upper wheel is free to rotate and lower wheel is fixed with a lifting system by which it can be moved up and down, and this up and down system of lower compression wheel is used to increase or decrease the compression. So important question is asked, which roller is most important in compression machine, upper or lower? So lower is more important because it can go up and down, and upper roller remain fixed at its position. Types of feeding system in compression machine. Basically feeding system are of 2 types. One is conventional or gravitational feeding system and other one is force feeders. The next question is what is the exchangeable turrets? Exchangeable turrets is basically installed in the advanced compression machines where we have the option to remove one turret and install another turret on its place which is already fitted with the new tooling. I will record a separate video on it for detailed description. What is segmented die table? Segmented die table is also an advanced type of tooling in which our complete die table is divided into 2 or 3 segments, and we join 2 or 3 segments together and our setup is ready. Next one is the compression machine tooling types. This is a very important question. Basically compression machine tooling types are B type tooling, D type tooling, BB tooling and DB tooling. Next question is what is the difference between B type tooling and D type tooling? B type tooling is used basically for those compression machines where we have required less pressure, and D type tooling is used for those compression machines where we have high application of pressure. Mean D type compression machines are used to apply less pressure, D type compression are used to apply higher pressure. B type compression machines compress tablets smaller in diameter, and D type tooling on compression machine is used to compress tablets which are in large diameter. Why compression machine have odd number of stations? It is very important question. If you want to learn its detailed answer, the link of video is given in description. For a brief overview, the number of stations in compression machine is always odd, like for it is basically most important for the double feed, and it is odd like 33, 35, 37. The reason is it is for the dynamic balancing. Watch the complete video from the link given in description. What is pneumatic system for compression machine? In advanced types of compression machines, basically filling of hoppers is done by the pneumatic suction, where our powder or granules are sucked from the containers by using a pneumatic system and are delivered to the hopper. Mean manual scooping is not required. What is the dwell time? Dwell time is the time which punch head spend under the compression roller. Mean the time or amount of time spent by the punch head under compression roller is known as dwell time. Importance of dwell time. Dwell time is very important because it is very helpful to remove the or overcome the problem of tablet capping and to remove the entrapped air. What is multi-tip punches? Multi-tip punches are basically advanced type of tooling where one punch have 2 or 3 tips, and in the same way one die have 2 or 3 tips. So from one punch 3 tablets are compressed. Mean if we have this punch, usually we have single tip punch, but in multi-tip we have 3 tips on the same punch. And in the same way, if we talk about the die, usually we have only one hole in a die, but in multi-tip, as many tips are in punches, there are as many holes in the die. So by using one punch and one die system, we will compress 3 tablets at a time. Next question is, what is metal detector? Metal detector is basically the attachment for compression machine which is used to remove any metal particle which may be added in our formulation during granulation or during the compression process. So we use metal detectors to remove any metal if it is present in our product. What is challenge test for metal detector? Basically metal detector is challenged with the dummy tablet, SS tablet, ferrous tablet and brass tablet. Before starting our work, we perform challenge test for the metal detector to ensure that our metal detector is working correctly. For this, we add all these 4 tablets one by one. The metal detector must reject the 3 tablets which contain metal, and it must not reject the tablet which is known as dummy tablet because it does not contain any metal. Next question is, what is de-duster? De-duster is also a attachment for the compression machine where our tablets after compression pass through the de-duster and any fine powder attached with the tablet is removed by this de-duster. Next question is, what are most commonly tablet compression defects? These are tablet sticking, picking, weight variation, hardness problem, rat hole. These are usually capping, lamination. These are most commonly tablet compression defects. Next question is, what are the lubricants used for compression machine? Basically food grade lubricants are used for compression machine and they are classified as H1, H2 and H3. If you want to read a detailed description, the link of article is given in description. The next question is, what is AWC? AWC is basically automatic or auto weight controller. And next question is, on what principle AWC work? Auto weight controller work on the principle of compression force, because on the basis of compression force we control our tablet weight automatically. The next question is, what is good tablets and what are the bad tablets? In advanced type of compression machine, we have a system installed our compression machine where we give feed to our compression machine regarding its compaction force limit, which also indicate the tablet compression weight. So any tablet exceeding the limit is rejected by the automatic system. These tablets are collected through the chute known as bad tablet collection chute, and good tablets are routine wise tablets which are compressed and collected in the container. The next question is, what is punch penetration? Punch penetration is basically used for upper punches, and it is the most important concept which is used to overcome the capping problem. The next question is, what are the some most important sensors which are installed in the compression machine? These sensors are open door sensor, level of powder, or powder level sensor. The next may be the regarding the overloading sensors which shut down our machine whenever any punch is overloaded. The next question is, what is rota head? Rota head is an advanced type of punch in which the head of the punch rotates as it passes through the compression roller, and this is to increase the dwell time, and it helps to increase compression force and also overcome the tablet capping problem. So I tried my best to explain more than 30 questions regarding tablet compression machine. If you have any confusion regarding any question, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to record a separate video to resolve your query. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, share it to others, and also visit pharmainform.com to read more articles. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.